Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix updates downloaded but won't install in Windows or PC or laptop. If you're using Windows in your PC or in your laptop and you're facing the issue that your updates have been downloaded but it's not being installed, or you might facing any kind of error in installation process, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command. Now here you have to enter this command here. This you can see that C colon backslash Windows backslash software distribution. So once you have entered this, press OK or press enter from your keyboard. Now here you might see some files or folders. So you just have to select all and just delete them. Once you have deleted them, all your update cache will be deleted from your PC. Now once I have done, you just have to simply go to services, press Windows plus R and here enter services.msc. Now once you have entered, press OK or press enter from your keyboard and services will be open here. Now once you open services, you just have to click on any of their service here and then press W from your keyboard. You might get the W name here. Now just scroll down and look for Windows Update. Here's a Windows Update. Double click on it to open its properties, or you can also make a right click on it, go to properties to open this section here. Now here you might see the startup type. You just have to click on it and click automatic from here. And once it's selected automatic, press stop. Now once the services has been stopped, press apply, then OK. Now your services has been enabled but stopped. You just have to right click on it, click on start. Once the services has been started, right click on it again, then click on restart. So it will restart your Windows update services. You just have to go back and now you have to retry to update your PC. Or you can also try to make a single step. Just go to settings, go, and once you are in settings, go to system, and here go to storage, and then go to cleanup recommendations here. Click on cleanup recommendations and just wait for these loadings. So you might see there's temporary files. So you just have to delete these temporary files. Once you have deleted, go to temporary files here, and here you might see Windows updates, temporary files, system error, direct share case, downloads. So you have to make sure that you haven't selected downloads from here. Here's the delivery optimization files. Once you have selected all of these, just select remove files. Then go to Windows update, and here go to uninstall and update. Just go to update history and go to uninstall updates. So here, if you might see that update you are facing trouble, so you just have to try to uninstall that update from here. So once you uninstall, you can check for updates later, and now you will not get that issue again. Or if you are still facing the same issue, so there's the only fix. You just have to go back from here, and here just go to search for CMD, right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes. You must see this type interface here, press SFC space slash scan now. Once you have entered, press enter from your keyboard. So it will start a system scan. It will completely scan all files in your system, and if there will be any junk or any bad file or an corrupted file, it might be fixed or deleted in this step. And once you have done this, you can restart your PC, and after having a restart, you just have to retry to check for updates, and this time you will be able to download and install updates on your PC. You have to also make sure that you have enough storage in your PC. Just go to this PC section, and here you have to keep in mind that you must have 15 to 20 GB free in your local disk C and also D where your Windows has been installed. So after that, you might not get this type errors again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.